Hello there. How you doing today? A quick one, very quick one, but very important. And I'm addressing those of us who have really grown in our relationship with God through disciples, and those who are new in the faith also are not excluded. And the message is very simple. It's to come to a place where you are vulnerable to God. A place where you allow what worries God to worry you. What bothers God to bother you. That is how you know true sons and daughters. And God is looking for people like that who will be concerned about what God is concerned about. And his concern is very simple and straightforward. He wants the whole world to be saved. John 3:16, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. This must be of serious concern to all of us. There is a verse in the book of Proverbs. It says, a son who sleeps during harvest is a son that causes shame. This is harvest time. John 4. The harvest is ripe. We must all be involved. I know we need to live, eat, drive, succeed. But if you come to think and you think deeply, you come to realize that all of these things that will pursue are going to end here. The only usefulness they have is if we use them to pursue that which is the heartbeat of God. Salvation of mankind, discipleship of people. Yeah. But if we want to pursue the tools that we need, with almost 99% of our time, resources, energy, I don't think that is wisdom. Let's trust God to help us with what we need. And I want us to step out like Moses, entered into this Red Sea, or the children of Israel, rather, the elder of Israel, they entered into Jordan. It was until then that the Jordan parted. It will not be said of us that we failed God in our different communities and locations around the world. The Lord bless you. That's so strong in my heart. And I know that you will give it a strong consideration and make necessary adjustment. I love you so much. When you love people, you share something that is the truth with them. Check your scriptures very well. This is the assignment, the commission. The major reason why we're left here after our salvation is so that we can be involved in the end time harvest. Grace is unleashed, but we've got to be decisive and move into action. Yeah, if this has inspired you in any way, like this video for me and write a comment. Subscribe if you've not done so you can get videos every time that I post. Have a good day, a fruitful week, months and year. Shalom.